Fixing a destroyed excavator chisel in less than 10 minutes. Rebuilding excavator worn out hydraulic breaker chisel. This chisel was completely destroyed, cracked, blunt, and ready for the scrap yard. But what if we told you we brought it back to life stronger than ever using just skill, steel, and some raw welding power? Today, you're going to witness a step-by-step rebuild of a worn-out hydraulic breaker chisel, the kind used in excavators, jackhammers, and heavy demolition machines. Stick around, because this could save you hundreds of dollars or even more. A hydraulic jackhammer chisel that's taken a brutal beating, the tip totally flattened, the body scarred and overheated. But here's the good news, it's not the end. If the base metal isn't cracked through, we can restore it. This is what pros do to avoid expensive replacements, and today, you're learning it all. If you've ever wondered how to rebuild jackhammer chisels like the pros, this is its skill, precision, power.
This cat hydraulic breaker chisel has been through it all. Heavy use, constant impact, and extreme heat have worn it far beyond spec. Today we're doing a complete rebuild, disassembly, inspection, hard-facing, machining, and reinstallation. We start by removing the hydraulic breaker from the excavator attachment. Using a crane and safety rigging, we set it down on a reinforced service bench. The retaining pin is seized, so we apply penetrating oil, then use a 50-ton hydraulic press to force it free, slowly and safely. With the chisel out, you can clearly see the damage. The tip is mushroomed, worn flat by constant rock and concrete impact. The sides are scarred, the taper is gone, and the hard-facing layer has completely eroded. We check the guide bushing, still reusable, and clean all mating surfaces. Brake cleaner and a wire brush are all you need at this stage. Next, prep for machining. We mount the chisel in a large lathe, using steady rests and precision alignment to eliminate runout. The first pass is light, removing just surface debris and rust. Then we begin the cleanup cut, restoring roundness and prepping the tip for hard facing. We take multiple passes to bring the chisel back to a uniform diameter. Between cuts, we check for vibration or chatter, signs of imbalance or tool pressure. Dial indicators help us monitor runout. We want less than 0.02 of an inch. Once we reach base metal, we apply a preheat pass with a torch. This reduces cracking when we add weld layers later. Now it's time for hard facing. We're using chromium carbide rods, known for wear resistance under heavy impact. The first layer goes down slowly, building up the tip one pass at a time. We let it cool between each pass, no forced air, no water quench. Once all 3 layers are applied, we shape the tip to a conical profile using a grinder. This rebuild method restores both penetration power and durability. Now it's back to the lathe for final machining. We run light finish passes across the tip and body, bringing it within OEM tolerances. Runout, perfect. Diameter, restored. Taper, rebuilt. This chisel is ready to go back to work. Before reassembly, we inspect the retaining pin and apply anti-seize compound. Then we reinstall the chisel, using the hydraulic press to seat the pin evenly. We reconnect hydraulic lines, test for leaks, and mount the breaker back on the excavator. Now comes field testing. We position the breaker on a thick concrete slab and begin striking. The rebuilt chisel holds firm, no bounce, no misalignment, no deformation. This is what a proper rebuild looks like. Performance restored, lifespan extended. For owners in construction, demolition, or mining, rebuilding your breaker chisel can save thousands. New chisels are expensive, but smart machining and welding keep your gear productive. If you do this in-house, make sure your lathe is properly calibrated. Check runout, use correct preheat, apply compatible hard-facing rod, and never rush your cooling cycle. Follow these steps and your breaker will stay field-ready year-round. We hope this full rebuild walkthrough gave you value. If it helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We've got more videos coming. hydraulic hammer rebuilds, piston rod regrinds, and shop hacks that save time and money. Thanks for watching, and keep your machines moving.
नहीं जी रहने दे। तो चुकना चुप से रहे। हाँ तो गाँव पर उधर आ उस्ताद के साथ है आप।
We hope this full rebuild walkthrough gave you value. If it helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We've got more videos coming: hydraulic hammer rebuilds, piston rod regrinds, and shop hacks that save time and money. Thanks for watching, and keep your machines moving.